Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Pulse Investments has broken ground for its Pulse Homes project in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. The development, valued at more than $2 billion, is to provide some 30 luxury homes in the next 2 years. Javon Keys reports.
Fashion and lifestyle brand Pulse has long diversified its business with a range of investment and real estate offerings. The latest venture for the company is the 30-unit Pulse Homes at its Villa Ranai property in Stony Hill, St. Andrew.
Those homes for which we did the groundbreaking today are in the valley. We've started now with a road network to go down and to go to each of the homes. Most of the homes are standalone homes, upmarket, eco-friendly.
The project is estimated at more than $2 billion Jamaican dollars, with support from Barita through a $1.1 billion bond.
We have sold a number of the units, but we haven't sold all the units. And the reason for that is that at this stage you really don't know what the final costs are going to be because of the constant inflationary trends. So we kind of hedge by selling some and holding some to see how things will go later on in terms of what real costs are going to be. The first phase is fully funded. We don't plan to, it's a 2-year project, we don't plan to wait to the end of the 2 years to start the second phase. We plan to somewhere, maybe after the first year, we get moving to the second phase so we can complete everything within a 3-year span or something like that.
On Wednesday, Pulse also did the official opening of its lifestyle villages at Ranai, a venture it expects will help rake in more money.
We are a 70-unit strong facility. We say lifestyle village because it's really a range of activities. You can come and you restaurants. You have the majestic Japanese restaurant, and there's another restaurant as well, soon to be opened. We have lounges, we have offices, we have about to open a spa.
Pulse is also looking to go to the equities market by the first quarter of 2023 to raise capital. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Productive Business Solutions PBS is looking to raise additional capital via the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company plans to raise $10 million and 150 million Jamaican dollars by listing 2 sets of preference shares. The offer opens on August 12. The technology solutions company says the proceeds will be used to finance strategic growth objectives and opportunities, including acquisitions and expansions into new territories. PBS will issue $1 million cumulative redeemable preference shares at a fixed rate of 9.25%. The offer is at $10 each. At 1,000 Jamaican dollars each, 150,000 cumulative redeemable preference shares are being sold at a fixed rate of 10.5%. PBS also plans to list the preference shares on the Barbados Stock Exchange after the JSE listing. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.80. $120 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $186.44 for the pound. It's costing an average $156.93 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 225 points today, while the junior market index gained 38 points. Among the winners, Main Event Entertainment Group, Productive Business Solutions at 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Salada Foods Jamaica and Edufocal. On the losing side were Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Berger Paints Jamaica, Stanley Motor, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and the Siboney Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.